The Roku Smart TV 55-inch. Imagine walking into a room where every piece of entertainment is at your fingertips, waiting to be devoured. That's what owning this TV would mean for you. Instant access to a world of free entertainment, endless gaming possibilities, and the freedom to watch whatever you want, whenever you want. With its dazzling picture, this 55-inch TV brings larger-than-life colors popping off the QLED screen and diving into vivid highlights, deeper darks, and realistic depth with thousands of mini LEDs. But what that really means is a viewing experience so stunningly lifelike, it'll transport you to another world. And with brilliant Dolby Vision IQ technology, you can trust that every show, sporting event, and scene change will look its absolute best. But this TV isn't just about picture quality. It's also designed for seamless integration into your home, literally mounting flat against the wall like a work of art. The custom mount's minimalist design makes it a centerpiece. Even when it's off, and with backdrops, you can turn it into a digital gallery, displaying famous artists or personal photos in stunning high definition. One feature that really stands out is the hinged bracket for easy access to cables and inputs. No more fumbling around in dark spaces or dealing with cluttered countertops. Just grab the TV and quickly swap out any cables you need. And because it's designed specifically for the Roku Pro series, you can be sure this TV will work perfectly with your streaming needs. What I love about this TV is how effortlessly it makes exploring popular apps, free movies, shows, and live TV a breeze. The intuitive interface makes discovery an exciting adventure. You'll find new favorites or soon-to-be favorites in no time. With Roku having over 500 channels to choose from, including live and season shows, hit movies, weather, local news, and award-winning original content, you'll never be bored. When it comes to gaming, this TV really shines with its blistering speed and automatic game mode. You can follow the action with a 120Hz refresh rate that's perfect for gamers. And with FreeSync Premium Pro, LLM, and VRR, you can enjoy tier-free gaming like never before. Plus, Picture Perfected powered by AI optimizes TV signals in real time, ensuring every show looks its absolute best. The one thing I was skeptical about when I first heard about this TV is how well it handles low light conditions. But after seeing it for myself, I can confidently say that the Roku Smart TV 55-inch delivers on that front as well, with deeper darks and more vibrant colors than ever before. One last feature worth mentioning is its mountability and wall integration capabilities. With the custom design allowing it to sit flat against the wall, you can enjoy the seamless visuals without the distraction of a separate stand or ugly base. Plus, because it's designed specifically for Roku Pro Series TVs, you know this TV will work perfectly with your streaming setup. In short, owning this TV is about giving yourself the freedom and flexibility to watch whatever you want, whenever you want, in stunning high definition without any hassle. So what are you waiting for?